Welcome, love. This is your Shakti CCF Tea ritual, a moment to be held, nourished, and supported from the inside out. Before we begin, take your warm cup into your hands. Feel its weight, its heat, its comfort. Let the simple act of holding this tea signal to your whole body that it is safe to slow down, safe to soften, safe to receive. And feel how quickly your body says, yes, thank you. This ritual is meant to meet you exactly where you are, gently, lovingly, without pressure nor expectation. A moment where nothing is asked of you except presence. You'll find the full Shakti CCF Tea recipe attached to this meditation if you ever want to prepare your own cup. And the complete story and blog post live at mindyarbuckle.com if you're feeling called to go deeper into the wisdom behind this tea. For now, let the world fall away. Let this be your time. Take a slow inhale and a softer exhale. Allow your shoulders to melt just a little more. Allow your jaw to relax. Allow your breath to find its natural rhythm once again. Imagine now the Divine Mother, Shakti herself, placing a warm hand at the center of your back. Steady, soft, reassuring, holding you the way only unconditional love can. She is here. She is holding you, supporting you, inviting you to slow down. As you bring the cup closer to your heart, notice the scent rising, the cumin, the coriander, the fennel. Notice the steam drifting upward like a quiet prayer. This is nourishment meant for you. Simple, warm, honest, grounding. Now whisper inwardly to yourself, I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to receive. Take a sip whenever you're ready. Let it arrive without hurry. Feel the warmth moving down the center of your body, softening, soothing, loosening, unraveling tension you didn't realize you were holding. This tea asks nothing from you. It gives. It steadies. It supports the way the feminine always has. Let each sip be unhurried. Let each sip be a small homecoming. With your heart, you feel the Divine Mother saying to you, slow down, my love. Listen, I am here. Your own inner knowing is here. And let those words settle through you like warm light. Take another sip. Feel how the lemon brightens your inner world. Not sharply, not energetically pulling you upward, but softly, like lighting a candle in a dim room. A gentle glow, a quiet clarity. Place one hand on your heart. Let the warmth of your cup and the warmth of your hand meet in the center of your chest. Take one more slow, spacious sip. Now ask your body, what do you need today? What feels heavy? What feels tender? What wants to be held? You don't need the answers. The magic is in the asking, the listening, the willingness to be with yourself exactly as you are. Feel your hand resting over your heart. Let your breath be your anchor. Let the mother hold the rest. Take a final sip now, and let this moment close with gratitude. Gratitude for nourishment, gratitude for warmth, gratitude for slowing down enough to hear your own inner knowing again. May you feel held from the inside out. May you remember your own softness and strength. May this warmth steady you and guide you through the winter season. And may you always return to the rituals that nourish you most, especially this tea, this breath, this pause, this inner light. Come back to this ritual whenever you need grounding, comfort, clarity, or a moment of being lovingly held. Let this tea be your companion in the colder months, a simple reminder that nourishment is always available to you, sip by sip. All my love to you. May this light in my heart bow to that brilliant light in yours. Namaste.